The energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position is called gravitational potential energy. To derive the formula of gravitational potential energy, let us consider a block of mass m lying stationary on the ground. If I want to lift this block from the ground up to certain height h, some work is to be done. Work done here is Fs, okay, since the force applied is in upward direction and the displacement is also in the same direction, that is upward, the work done will be maximum and that work is equal to Fs. The minimum force required to lift the block is nothing but its weight, so F is equal to mg, and the displacement S is equal to h. So work done is mgh. But now when we do certain amount of work, for that energy is required, okay, energy is spent. Where does that energy go? That energy here is stored as potential energy of the object. So instead of W, now we can write potential energy U. So U is equal to mgh. Gravitational potential energy U is equal to mgh. Thank you.